So now we're going to talk about the software stack for web development today and what I think is the best thing to do. Does anybody have any questions before we jump in on that? Kind of had a little bit of an intro at the beginning. No questions, cool. And so the first thing we'll look at is I'm going to go into Google Drive. And Google Drive is a place where you could store stuff in the cloud. All the cloud is somebody else's computer. It's not actually up in the air, right, with the clouds. But maybe that's a nice analogy because it's kind of like you're just putting it somewhere else. And you're loading whatever information onto somebody else's computer somewhere else. So Google Drive is Google's computer servers, and it's a place where you could create folders and store files and all that. So I'm going to create a new Google Drive folder. And so maybe what this video is going to be about is just like Google Drive. And this new Google Drive folder, I'm going to call it CIT85 because that's this class. And then inside there, I'm going to create a new Google Doc. And I'll call this CIT85 Spring 2018. And then I'm going to just do a little bulleted list here. And so that first video was welcome and career potential programmers. So we'll do career potential of programmers, right? And that's going to be video 001. And then this one's going to be Google Drive. And that's going to be video 002. And also this will be course resources. And so I want to be able to share all of this with everybody. And so you could access anything that we do in the course. This will be one place you could access it. So with that folder selected, I hit this little icon right there. And I hit plus, and then I get a shareable link. And anybody with this link can view. I'm going to copy that link. That's a really long link, so I could go to short URL and go to Google URL shortener. And then drop that in. Oh, I need to say I'm not a robot. And then drop that in there and shorten the URL. And now it just gave me another one. To go jizz. It's kind of funny. And I'm going to come back to here and drop that in. And there we go. All right. And that's kind of appropriate because we're going to talk about the Go programming language. We're not going to learn that in this class, but we're going to talk about it a little bit. And so now you can get to that folder, and in that folder you'll be able to access this outline. And so if you ever need to go back and look, what was the title of the video where Todd was talking about something, I'll call this one course resources. So we're just organizing this as we go. All right, that's what this video is going to be about, this next step in our process. How many people already knew about Google Drive? How many people that's new information for you and it's kind of cool? And how come you guys didn't raise your hand? Because that was a binary choice, is one or the other.
I wasn't paying attention.
All right, that's fine. What were you thinking about?
Me, no, I was writing the URL link.
Oh, you're entering that. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. And what about you? You already knew about Google Drive? And what about you? I can't see your face. You knew about it? Good. Sweet.